When ABBA finally decided to step away from the spotlight, it wasn't just the end of a band. It felt like closing of a chapter in pop music history. The group has such an integral part of the cultural fabric that imagining a world without an ABBA song was almost impossible. By the late 2010, the members have settled into their lives outside the band. Benny and Bjorn were still deeply involved in the musical theater, bringing their creative energy into their projects. And Yetta and Anifrid have stepped out of the limelight, living quiet lives far away from the chaos of their pop star days. In 2018 came the announcement that shocked the music world. ABBA revealed that they were working on a new music, their first since 1982. It was almost too good to believe. After decades of silence, the band was back in the studio, not for a full-scale tour or a rehash of old hits, but to create something new. The news was met with excitement and disbelief. What would ABBA's music sound like after all these years? Would they be able to capture that magic that made them legends? The journey to this moment hadn't been easy. For years, ABBA had been hesitant to reunite. What made this comeback so special was that it was not trying to recreate the past. The result was the 2021 album, Voyage.
So when you're near me, darling, can't you hear me? SOS. The love you gave.
It is a collection of songs that felt both timeless and modern, a bridge between the ABBA of the 1970s and the ABBA of today. Songs like I Still Have Faith in You and Don't Shut Me Down aren't just new additions to their catalog. They're deeply personal reflections of their journey. They're about love, resilience, and the passage of time. Themes that resonate just as much now as they did during the heydays. And while the album was still in nostalgia, it never felt like a throwback. It was a celebration of everything that ABBA had been and everything they still have to offer. The release of Voyage was accompanied by another groundbreaking project, a virtual concert experience featuring digital avatars of the band members dubbed as ABBAtars. The idea was ambitious as it was revolutionary. Using cutting-edge technology, concert recreated ABBA as they appeared in their prime, performing alongside a live band in a custom-built arena in London. It was a way to bring them, the magic of ABBA, to a new generation of fans while honoring the band's legacy. The reaction was overwhelmingly positive, with fans and critics alike for praising the show for its innovation and emotional impact. What's so remarkable about ABBA's return is how it managed to strike the perfect balance between nostalgia and reinvention. They didn't just come back to relive their glory days. They came back to add something meaningful to their story. In doing so, they reminded the world why they mattered in the first place. Their music has always been about connecting with people, about capturing the universal experiences of love, heartbreak, and hope. Voyage was no different. It was a gift to their fans, a reminder that even after all these years, ABBA's magic was still alive. A response to their comeback was nothing short of extraordinary. Voyage topped the charts around the world, proving that ABBA's appeal haven't faded in one bit. Fans, old and new, flocked to the virtual concert, eager to experience the closest thing to a live ABBA performance. And while the members themselves stayed out of the spotlight, letting their music and technology take center stage, their presence was felt in every note, every lyric, and every moment of the show. Looking back, it's incredible to think about how far ABBA has come. They started out as four young dreamers in Sweden, creating music for the sheer joy of it. They became global icons, weathering the highs and lows of fame, love, and heartbreak. And now, decades later, they've come back in full circle, reminding the world why they fell in love with ABBA in the first place. It's not just about the music, it's about the connection, the emotions, and the stories they've shared. ABBA's journey isn't just about a story of success. It's a story of resilience, creativity, and the enduring power of music. They have faced their share of challenges, both as a group and as individuals, but they've always found the way to rise above it. And while their story may not have unfolded the way everyone expected, it's precisely that unpredictability that makes it so compelling. So, after 4 long decades away from the spotlight, ABBA returned to the stage with a revolutionary virtual tour, the ABBA Voyage, bridging physical and digital immersive concert experience. Instead of flesh and blood ABBA, the show is performed by life-size animated CGI avatars of the 4 members, restored by technology to their pop star primes. ABBAtars, the producer called them, but it is also performed by the real ABBA, in the sense that they sang the songs and danced the dances in a studio in Sweden, and motion capture technology allow those performances, the singing, the dancing, even the chat between the songs, to be combined on stage with a live 10-piece band and a spectacular light show. The effect is uncanny. So, experience the thrill and excitement of concert like no other. Agneta, Bjorn, Benny, and Anfrid have created the kind of concert they always wanted, performing for their fans at their very best, as digital revisions of themselves backed by today's finest musicians. Blurring the lines between the physical and digital, see the magic of ABBA brought to life using the latest in motion capture technology. It's the greatest ABBA performance the world has never seen until now. The concert has been carefully planned by all 4 members of ABBA. Although not physically in the arena, they have created a kind of concert they always wanted, blurring the lines between the real and the digital to give you the best version of themselves. During our London visit in September last year, we made sure to squeeze in our time to experience the ABBA Voyage Concert Tour. The ABBA Voyage was established in London, where the show could run up to 5 years. It started in May 2022 and so far are extended until October 2025, with a possibility to extend the shows up until April 2026. The concert is 90 minutes long and there is no intervals. Doors open 1 hour and 45 minutes before the start of the concert. The performance will start promptly, and latecomers will not be admitted until a suitable break in the performance.
Thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Like me, without the song, there's what I feel. For giving it to me.
Okay, ko nante, Bar?
Dili ko kawaon, di ko muli London, di ko muli.
Kabilis akan sa sunod concert. Ay, so much fun. Very nice. ABBA Voyage. Sa kailang mga
Yeah, the effect. Di pag ganun mo uli ay kahinay-hinay pa eh. Look how many the people are. Yes, yes.
The spirit has arrived. So when you're near me, darling, I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all.
Frida, what made you change your mind and decide to work with ABBA again?
I've dreamed of this for years. We love our music, we love to sing, we love the material that Benny and Bjorn writes. Excellent, and it's a challenge.
ABBA has never left us. In my heart, in our heart. So it was not so difficult decision because the music is a part of us.
How was the experience for you of seeing yourself as your younger self?
It's amazing because in a way it's you look at yourself on stage, it's so well done, so you think actually it's real people standing up there performing, and then you're sitting there yourself watching yourself, you know. It's a very extraordinary feeling. It's hard to describe, I must say.
I think the only way to understand what this is, you have to come and see it.
Yeah.
It's sort of non-explainable. We've tried this for 2 years to explain what it is, what we will be, but that's impossible. You need to go and see it.
I think it's a new experience for all of us, and it will be so exciting tonight because I haven't seen anything.
But I think you can safely say that nobody's ever seen anything like this, because this is a first. This is pushing boundaries.